Looking for a very powerful off-roading vehicle as well as fuel efficient? Greg here at the Woodys Automotive Group, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can learn why by going to over20000reviews.com. So we have this brand new 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and it looks incredible with those new redesigned headlamps. And look at that grille, so much chrome throughout the whole thing. It looks perfect. Fog lamps just below, as well as you do have a front sensing system. Looks incredible. Under the hood, you have a 2.0 liter inline-4 engine for that great fuel economy, as well as these 18-inch alloy wheels with that sort of black and gray design. Really works well together, accenting each other perfectly. Yeah. Coming over to your mirrors, they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring, so if someone is in your blind spot, that little triangle will light up, and that will, keep you from going to the other side of the, road to get in that traffic collision. And on the way into the vehicle, you do have keyless entry. Into this brand new Cherokee, we have these black leather heated and cooled seats with that just incredible perforation going down the middle. They're also powered, and your driver's seat has 2 memory position settings, which is amazing. And coming over to the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped and heated. You have your cluster controls and Bluetooth streaming audio controls on the left, with your cruise controls and adaptive cruise controls on the right, with media controls just behind. For your media center, you have that 8.4-inch touchscreen media center brought to you by Uconnect. You have everything. You have your AM, FM radio, and satellite 4-year, because this is a brand new vehicle with all your media hookups. Your climate control unit, which is so easy to use, and just all those apps which you can just drag and drop down there. Very, very technologically advanced. And there's your heated and cooled seats with your heated steering wheel and backup camera. So if you got little kids or animals, you won't hit them because you're going to see them in the backup camera. It's very handy. And navigation, throw in an address, go anywhere in the world, drive there flawlessly, as well as you have that hands-free voice dialing system. Wow. You also have that parallel and perpendicular park assist. The vehicle will park itself for you. You can turn off those sensing systems, and you have lane departure, which you can turn off as well. Climate control units everywhere to help you, feel comfortable in the vehicle, with a media hub, USB port, aux port, and a 12-volt DC adapter with that select terrain management system. Snow sport, mud, sand, mud, anything you want, it will tackle it with that 9-speed automatic transmission. Cup holders everywhere, and boom, look how deep that center console is. USB port, 12-volt DC adapter, and you can throw your phone in that shallower level. Boom. Coming on up, you do have SOS, so if someone gets into trouble, or you do, hit that, someone will be there to assist you. Universal garage door openers. And controls for your panoramic sunroof, and that baby just goes all the way back, getting all that light in here, all that air, get the windows down, really throw that hair back. So let's make our way to the back. Coming into the back, we have seating just like the front, capable of seating 3, but there's only 2. Throw that down, you got a nice armrest, as well as cup holders, as well as you have USB ports and a 115-volt AC adapter in case you want to blow dry your hair on the way to work in the morning. As well as on top, you have a roof rack with a lip spoiler and all that chrome badging in the 4x4 Unlimited. You have that rear sensing system, as well as dual chrome exhaust, and that massive tow package. This thing's got it all, as well as you have power liftgate and remote start on your key fob. Those seats will fold forward to give you just that much more space in your trunk, and it's got everything. There's your customized floor mats made specifically for your liking, as well as you have a nice subwoofer and a power liftgate button in the trunk area. So these brand new vehicles really don't disappoint. You got the heated leather and cooled seats, you got the power liftgate, you have those powered seats, and that fuel efficient engine with that media center. So if you're in the market for a brand new Jeep Cherokee or any of our Jeeps, visit our website at WowWoodys.com or come and check out our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Greg. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.